Do you want to improve your memory and learn new information more efficiently? In this video, we will discuss the strategies and techniques that you can use to master the art of memory retention. We will cover topics such as creating a memory palace, repetition, visualization, mnemonics, exercise, and sleep. Learn how to use these techniques to improve your memory retention and remember information more effectively. Welcome to this video about mastering the art of memory retention. Memory is an essential part of learning, and it's important to have techniques that help you remember facts, figures, and other information. In this video, we will be discussing the techniques and strategies that you can use to improve your memory and remember information more effectively. Introduction to memory retention. Memory retention is the process of retaining and recalling information. It is a skill that can be developed and improved with practice. Memory retention helps us to recall information that we need when it is needed. Memory retention is also important for learning new information. It can help us to better understand and remember complex concepts. Strategies for memory retention. There are several strategies that can help you improve your memory retention. These include creating a memory palace. A memory palace is a technique that uses visual images to help you remember information. It involves creating mental images of places and objects in order to associate them with the information you are trying to remember. Repetition. Repetition is a key strategy for memory retention. It involves repeating information multiple times in order to help you remember it. Visualization. Visualization is another technique that can help with memory retention. It involves creating mental images of the information that you are trying to remember. Mnemonics. Mnemonics are methods that use words, phrases, or acronyms to help you remember information. These methods can be used to remember facts, dates, or other information. Examples of mnemonics include the acronym HOMES for the Great Lakes, and the phrase "every good boy does fine" for the lines of a treble clef. Exercise and sleep. Finally, exercise and sleep can also help with memory retention. Exercise helps to improve blood flow to the brain, which can help with memory recall. Getting enough sleep is also important for memory retention, as a lack of sleep can lead to memory loss. Conclusion. So, these are some of the strategies and techniques that can help you improve your memory retention. Memory is an important part of learning, and the strategies discussed in this video can help you remember information more effectively. Thank you for watching this video on mastering the art of memory retention. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth. Subscribe now and start your journey towards success.